Life lately has slowed down a bit. In a way, I have less time to myself. But I no longer live my life through a camera lens and watch my memories in an editing software. Not during the week, at least. I'm on a schedule and I have a routine, and I'm able to be more present than I've ever been. I'm learning more about myself, and I guess you can say that I'm just on this journey of self-discovery. I'm maturing and I'm able to be honest with myself and admit that adjusting to my new job has been just that, an adjustment. And there's nothing wrong with needing to talk to a professional to make sure I'm handling this change properly and prioritizing spending more time with family and friends. And I used to prioritize self-care when I had all the time in the world, and I want to get back to that, to taking care of myself. I'm rediscovering hobbies like reading, Pilates, and arranging flowers. I have this lust for learning, and I want to just really make sure that I'm carving out the time to learn new things and also learn more about myself. But to sum it up, life has been good.
A.
E.
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 O.
O.
U. A.
Hola, yo soy Ashley y bienvenidos. I am getting ready for summer vacation, especially since Beyonce and Drake both dropped songs that are very much so yachts in Ibiza. So I'm using my PTO and my passport this summer, but I also want to make sure that I am respectful of the locals, of the places that I'm visiting, and I also want to make sure that I am safe, whether I'm traveling by myself, traveling with friends, or even family. And the way to do that is by partnering with Babbel. Thank you so much, Babbel, for sponsoring this video this summer. To help me experience the places in which I'm traveling, I'm going to be learning Spanish. And ideally, I want to learn French and Portuguese, but we're going to take baby steps. We're going to start with Spanish. And learning Spanish on the Babbel app is extremely user-friendly. So far, I've been able to set weekly goals. I've been reviewing the lessons that I have learned, and I'm able to go over lessons that are based custom for me on my skill set, which is amazing because I actually learned Spanish when I was in high school, and quite a few things I do remember, but it doesn't hurt to go over the basics and the fundamentals, because my ultimate goal, which is something that I also shared with the Babbel app, but my ultimate goal is to be fluent in Spanish. So I want to be able to understand and communicate in full sentences, not just be able to piece things together. So Babbel is amazing for that. And then it doesn't hurt to be able to put that on my resume. In the industry that I'm in, it absolutely pays off to be able to communicate in more than one language. Babbel teaches real-world practical conversations, perfect, like I said, for travel and business and even relationships. The lessons are interactive, they're short, they're about 10 minutes long, and they're designed by real language teachers. So you don't have to learn from a machine or an algorithm or artificial intelligence. And Babbel teaches more than just vocabulary words. It teaches you about that language's culture, and there is a 20-day money-back guarantee. So if you would like to learn an entirely new language, or if you're brushing up on a language you may have already learned in grade school, for example, like for me, I already learned Spanish in school. A lot of people also learned French in school, but if you don't use it, you lose it. So now is the perfect time to learn it all over again. Why not? What's stopping you? My friends over at Babbel are making this so easy. You can get up to 65% off of your Babbel subscription. So learn a new language with me and with Babbel. You can sign up using my link in the description box down below. But now that I have finished cleaning up everything, we have a lot of things that we need to do. So come on, let's go. I just finished work for the day. It's kind of early. I finished 26 minutes earlier. Oh crap, there's one thing I didn't get done, but for the work that I did do, I think I did a pretty good job today, and what I didn't get done will be here tomorrow. I have an influencer event to go to and then I'm going out to dinner. But I'm super excited because my friend Joy, if you watch my New York vlog when I went to New York with Cindy and Ijoma for Sal's birthday, it was a big group trip, like a ton of people were there. So yeah, we all went to New York. So if you remember Joy from that vlog, from that New York trip, she started a marketing agency here in Dallas. So I literally just finished working my 9 to 5. This is the makeup look that I wore today. I was practicing with some new products that I received that I have to make some content with. So this is why I have a full face on right now, but I'm actually going to brush my teeth, wash my face, take all this off, take a fresh shower, and then figure out what I'm gonna wear, do another fresh face of makeup, flat iron my hair again, and then hopefully I can be ready in 3 hours. Can you see? Is it kind of crooked? Here's the look. Here she is. And then here's my makeup. I need to add some more bronzer. I'll be there maybe 10 minutes behind, which is very good for me.
Thank you so much for coming out to celebrate this. We have a game that's going to be going on throughout the entire event. The winners will get to choose from some really dope prizes. We have an iPad, we have some AirPods, we got a consultation with a really large talent agency that can land you some amazing deals, even as a micro creator.
Micro.
Make sure to mingle, try and knock through that list. Whoever has the most points at 9 o'clock wins.
Say something. Hey, everybody.
Hey.
How you doing? Good to see you. Long time no see.
Yeah. All right, that's it. We are just leaving Restoration Hardware rooftop. You like your Father's Day gift?
I love my Father's Day gift. Yes.
Good.
I'm a fragrance guy. I love cologne.
We got Daddy O 2 fragrances, Bond number 9, and YSL. And then we also took pictures, but I'll show you that later.
And the food was delicious.
Oh yeah, the food was really good. We'll be back. Okay, y'all, so I'm back home. I have to change super quickly because I'm getting groceries delivered, and then I'm also running downstairs because I have to pick up some packages. I am really going on a trip soon, so I need to start getting everything ready for that, and I will show you some of the stuff that I picked up from Amazon for my trip and some of the other things that I bought. Oh, I have something to show you really quick though. I made this flower arrangement. Isn't she lovely? Oh my gosh, right? She's lovely. One of my peonies is dying, that one right there, but oh, and that one right there, oh, and the other one in there. But yeah, this is the flower arrangement that I made. So stunning. Okay, what you hear in the background is my dishwasher, but let me show you my grocery organization. I went through and really organized my fridge because, I don't know, for me, out of sight is out of mind. So I had to make sure that I could see everything. Have my water up here. I have like condiments and like miscellaneous things right here. So I take turmeric, and then ginger shots are back there. Take that every day. These are from Trader Joe's, super cheap, and I think they're pretty good for you. It won't focus. Anyways, butter, yogurt, sour cream, some cheeses back there, some kimchi, some salsa, and then we have like broth, liquid, vitamins and supplements, oat milk, chai, and all that stuff for matcha. These breakfast burritos are so good from Trader Joe's. I just popped them in the air fryer. They're so good during the work week. In here I have juices for smoothies. Down here I have more juices, and my eggs are in these containers. I usually put berries down here as well, but they need to be washed. Down here, salads and leafy green vegetables, and then more miscellaneous vegetables and some bacon and some sausage. Let me show you my fridge. I'm filling up my water right now, but there are just some new additions. Added in my groceries. I have some Celsius, it was on sale. I put my green juice through a cheesecloth. This is the green juice from Trader Joe's, but it had so much pulp in it, and I'm just like really sensitive to pulp and just different textures, so I had to strain it out. And then I of course have my turmeric ginger shots still. Again, breakfast burritos. I eat half at a time. I put my berries down here. These containers for my berries are from Amazon, and then I just rinse my berries, well, soak my berries in vinegar and then rinse them off really well, put them in these containers, and it has a top that has like holes so you can open it for some ventilation. More salads and just leafy greens down here, and then same thing down here, except this time I have some turkey bolognese from Trader Joe's. All I have to do is cook some pasta noodles, and it's like kind of a spaghetti dish, kind of sort of. Just showed you everything that was going on in my fridge. I'm actually about to head to work, so let me show you my outfit. I think this is enough room. My heels are just these pumps. My trousers are from Boohoo. My top is from Zara. So I was listening to a podcast this morning while I was getting ready. Specifically, I was listening to Scam Goddess. But I have about an hour until my first meeting. I got lash extensions yesterday, so that made my getting ready process quite quick this morning. And I'm actually gonna move on to lesson 4 on the Babbel app.
Buenos días.
Buenos días.
Buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes.
Mucho gusto.
Mucho gusto. It's a pleasure.
Hasta pronto.
Hasta pronto. I got 31 out of 32. I missed one. Just one. I have this package from Shein for my upcoming vacation, and then I got some shoes from Simi. So how about this? We'll end the vlog here, and I will make a new vlog where I just center it around my vacation. I'm gonna go ahead and head to work, and we'll reconvene.